Hi, everybody. My name is Senad. I'm an indie games developer from Munich, Germany. I've been in the industry since 2009. Founded SenAm Games, a tiny but great indie studio in 2018. And we have been working on some great projects and games. We released Hauna, narrative 2D comic noir based mystery game. That was great. We worked with the Godot engine, and we're really happy with how far we came in the last 6 years. Oh, and why is Godot such a great choice for us as an indie studio? I love everything about Godot and the community. It has just all the right indie vibes. I love GD scripts. I love all the technological decisions. It's not a commercial enterprise. It's very accessible. Like the whole project is geared towards the needs of us indie developers. A massively great community, full of support, love. That's great. We're still working on Hauma. Hauma is planned to release on the Nintendo Switch. So we're working on the Nintendo Switch ports with great support from W4G. Thanks a lot for that. We are working on our new game as well. It's a 3D action adventure. We're going 3D route with Godot 4. We're very excited about that. It's based on the novel by Alexandre Dumas. So we have 3D exploration, we have 3D cutscenes, we have a combat system, we have a new item system. Development is going well. We're really excited. And we can soon show our first early demo to the world. So that was a blessing for us. We were super happy that we had this opportunity because it was a great timing. And it's of course awesome to have the team from W4G supporting us. It's like an extended team. They're super responsive. They're helping us with anything that comes up. And why is Hauma a great fit for the console program? It's quite a big game, alone in size. And it's using some tech that not a lot of other games are using. For example, we're also building a mouse emulation because it's a mostly mouse-driven game. Things like that. Yeah, I think we were able to already find some pain points there in the implementation and help the team uncover some bugs. Keep doing what you love. Keep making games. Keep being excellent to one each other. Keep contributing to this great community. Let's make the Godot space an even better place.